Given you a tour of this magnanimous 5 BHK Villament. Windchants by Experion is located in Sector 112 Gurgaon. Living in Windchants is like living in a resort 24/7. Imagine you have come from office and you're having a tea and coffee room. Welcome to your grand, colossal master bedroom. So you can say a master bedroom. And again, this master bedroom comes with French windows. You will be getting this huge electric almirahs. And in every master bedroom, you will be getting a bathtub as well. Just next to the dining area, you will be getting this amazing, massive kitchen. And the moment you step out, you will be welcomed by the manicured garden. Now let's talk about the sizes. So the villa spans across 6325 square feet dining area. As you can see here, a massive Good morning viewers, I'm Hina Call from Zricks.com and today we are back on Dwarka Expressway with yet another exuberant project for you, which is Windchants. Windchants by Experion is located in Sector 112 Gurgaon, which gives seamless connectivity to Dwarka Expressway, IJ International Airport, Yashobhumi and Metro Station of Sector 21 Dwarka, which is just 8 minutes from here. So come along with me and I will showcase this exuberant, low density and ultra luxurious project by Windchants. So come. Windchants is spread over 24 acres and you will be getting 563 units here, and you will be getting different topologies and topographies to choose from, which is 2 BHK plus study plus servant, 3 BHK plus servant, then 4 BHK plus servant and study, then 5 BHK and 6 BHK. You will also be getting villas, duplex and high-rise towers to choose from. Now let's talk about the sizes. The houses here starts from 2,441 square feet and goes up to 6,856 square feet. As this is an ultra luxurious project, ultra low density project, so you will enjoy the luxury of fresh air, the luxury of space and the luxury of active living. As in this project, you will be getting 1.25 acres of Zen garden, so you will be surrounded by the flora and fauna. Now let's talk about the construction. This project is a turnkey project by L&T, so imagine the kind of quality of construction you're getting here. And if you talk about the connectivity, your international airport is just 30 to 35 kilometers from here, Yashobhumi is just 5 minutes from here, and your Cyber City and Aerocity is just 20 minutes from here. And major hospitals like Manipal is also within the vicinity. And inside, and also Windchants has a tie-up with JSR Hospital. They are located within the vicinity for the basic emergency needs. And if you talk about the schools, DPS, Gyananda and Presidium School are in the vicinity. So welcome to Wandering Buds. This is a very unique concept from Windchants and I'm going to showcase you a sample flat of 5 BHK Duplex Villament. So come along with me. So as you walk in, you can see there is ample of light in the passage. And welcome to your dream home, which is a unique Villament. This expansive villa spans across 6,325 square feet. Isn't it magnanimous, majestic and magnificent? Come have a look. This living room is actually a double-heighted ceiling living room. So as you can see, there is ample amount of space and Windchants is all about expansive space. In Windchants, in this Villament, you will be getting a huge running balcony. So come along with me and I'll showcase you a running balcony. Isn't this huge? Look at the size of curtain you're getting here. And the moment you step out, you will be welcomed by the manicured garden, exotic flowers and the breath of fresh air. As I had given you a tour of this magnanimous 5 BHK Villament, Now let's talk about the world-class amenities you're gonna get here. You will be getting 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, including outdoor and indoor spaces, and you will be getting ample number of amenities, like you will be getting a full lap-size swimming pool, you will be getting a separate swimming pool for kids, you will be getting a cricket net, you will be getting a lawn tennis, basketball, squash, mini theaters, restaurants, banquets, retail shop, you name it, you're gonna get it. Windchants offers you Asia's largest Skywalk of 1.4 kilometer long. So in your mornings and in your evenings, you can go there for a stroll, and you will be surrounded by exotic flora and fauna and the manicure gardens. So you can enjoy your walking in the fresh air. Living in Windchant is like living in resort 24/7. This I'm saying again and again. There's a reason for that, because you will be getting 1.25 acres of a lush green garden. This lush green garden is called the Zen. Also, in front of your society, there is a reserve 2600 acres of Delhi Reserve greens. So throughout your lifetime, you are not gonna get any high rise in front of you. So you will be getting an uninterrupted view of lush greens. And let me also mention you that this is a two-side open villament. You will be having two views. One view is from the kitchen, which will give you a clubhouse view, and this will give you an inside view of your gardens. Moving on, so the moment you enter your home, on your right hand side, you will be welcomed by a private lift. So here is your high-speed lift. Usually in a villament or a duplex, you won't get a private lift, but here in Windchants, you will be getting a private lift access. And onto your right hand side, the moment you enter, you will get your first bedroom. So this bedroom you can convert into a guest room, or you can convert into an office as well. So choice is yours. Here the builder has shown an office, because now usually people has a concept of working from home. So this can be your study room, this can be your guest room, choice is yours. Along with this, you will get an ensuite washroom, which comes with all international city fittings. Come have a look. Moving on, now let me take you to the dining area. Come along with me. And as you can see, this was your foyer area, and the moment you enter, you can place your consoles here, and you can put all your decorative items here. And welcome to a grand dining area. As you can see, the builder has kept 10-seater dining table, and after that, you get ample space here. You can see how freely I am walking. You can place a nice consoles here. Also, one more console is kept this side as well. So you can keep this place free, and you can place all your decorative items. Inside, you can place all your fancy crockeries. And as you can see, a nice huge chandelier has been placed here, and you can see ample sunlight is coming in this living area, and you have a great view outside. You have a nice balcony here. Just open this door and you can enjoy the breakfast, lunches, the fresh air. Now let me show inside to outside. So you will be getting double door here. A net door is given to keep the bugs away. And here's your balcony. And what a green flora fauna you're gonna get in front of your balcony. And imagine it's winter times. You can open this window and enjoy the breakfast with your family. I personally love the dining areas with open concept, so that you can enjoy food with fresh air. Isn't it gorgeous? A nice decorative layout has been placed here by the builder, so you can put all your nice vases, your books, your decorative items, and next to it is a nice mandir area. And just next to your dining area, you will be getting this amazing massive kitchen, and as you can see, there is no light on, still there is an ample of sunlight falling in the kitchen, and there is a huge window, French window has been given, so in the winters you can open it and you can enjoy the sun. You can enjoy sun basking while cooking, so isn't it great? And this is a fully modern modular kitchen. You will be getting all the cupboards. As you can see, I am loving this white concept kitchen. So basically this is a French style kitchen, and you will be getting these appliances, this Bosch hob and this Bosch chimney. And you have ample space for your utensils. As you can see, there are multiple cupboards given for your storage. And along with it, you will be getting this utility area. Come along with me. And as you can see, it's a huge utility area. You will be also getting this washing machine from Bosch. And you will be getting the servant room and a servant washroom here. You will be getting another servant room and washroom on the first floor also. So this is a lower level. I'm going to now showcase you the upper level of this Villament. So come along with me. I'm just loving the kitchen. I'm just admiring it because it's huge and a natural sunlight. I am just loving this space. Like imagine you're happily, enjoying your dinner with more than 10 people here. And the space is amazing. And next to your dining area comes your master bedroom. So welcome to your grand, colossal master bedroom. As you can see, a huge king-size bed is placed, a corner couch is placed, TV console is placed, side table is placed. Still, there is ample space. I'm mentioning you again and again, Windchants is all about space and how gorgeous this home is. And you will be getting a nice big French windows here for a grand view of lush green. Have a look. Now, moving on, let me show you a walk-in closet. You will be getting this huge lacquered almirahs with ample of space in it. And as you can see, the moment I open it, a light is lit on so that you can find your belongings. A nice drawers has been given for all your jewelry items. So in Windchant, you don't have to struggle for the space. And moving on, you will be getting this ensuite washroom, and in every master bedroom you will be getting a bathtub as well, and you will be getting all the international CP fittings from Gurgaon, and a glass bathing unit is also placed for you. Isn't it magnanimous and gorgeous? Now let me showcase you the upper level of this Villament. Keep watching. So come along with me and I will showcase you the upper level of this gorgeous Villament. The moment you enter, you will be getting a powder room for your touch-ups. Ready, steady, go? Yes. Also, the moment you enter your home, you will be getting this cute small powder room for all your touch-ups. So have a look. And as you can see, the staircase and the floors are of international marbles. So you can ascend towards the upper floor by the lift also, but I want to showcase you this gorgeous designer staircase. So welcome to your resort style living home. Oh, I'm just admiring it, how gorgeous this living room looks. Living in Windchants is like living in a resort 24/7. Don't you feel like you're living in a resort while standing here? Imagine you have come from office and you're having a tea and coffee overlooking this gorgeous view, this gorgeous chandelier, this gorgeous ceiling, and this gorgeous mirror where you will have the feel that you're having a double, triple size of a living room. And on upper level, you will be getting a family lounge. So if you have guests, you can place them downstairs. And here you can have your family memories, which is going to last forever. Imagine in the winters, you're sitting in the family lounge and you will be having a nice sun and a nice, gorgeous view of the clubhouse. Along with this, you will be getting a balcony. So you can come here in the evening, have your cappuccino and enjoy the freshness. And this amazing view. Now let me showcase you the another 3 bedrooms of this gorgeous Villament. My eyes are just going to this family area. And welcome to your bedroom number 3. This is also, you can say, a master bedroom. And again, this master bedroom comes with French windows. Oh, and here you will be getting a balcony as well. Again, with the breathtaking, gorgeous view, you can enjoy your mornings here. In this master bedroom also, you will be getting a walk-in closet. Again, same concept which you saw downstairs. Again, you will be getting this lacquered cupboards with the lights when you open it. And again, another ensuite washroom. Again, with the bathtub and the international fittings from Rohe. And you will be getting this shower cubicle also. Moving on, let me take you to the fourth bedroom of this gorgeous resort style living Windchants. Just opposite to the master bedroom number 3, you will be getting this master bedroom number 4. Oh my god, this space is amazing. Your master bedroom number 4 also comes with a balcony with double door, and again with a breathtaking view of Clubhouse, and you can enjoy the manicured gardens, the exotic flowers, and your evenings are sorted. Isn't Windchants an amazing option? And you can think that this can be your dream home? Then you must visit here, and you have to look it all by yourself. As you can see, all the furniture is placed. Still, there is substantial amount of space here. And again, in this master bedroom number 4, you will be getting a walk-in closet, again with this gorgeous lacquered cupboards from floor to ceiling. So your space is not at all an issue here. And again, you will be getting this ensuite washroom with all the international CP fittings from Rohe. And here, instead of a shower cubicle, you will be getting an open shower space, and it is huge. Now let me take you to bedroom number 5. This house is gorgeous. This house is beautiful. This house is so big that I am amazed. Okay? Come along with me. And here's your lift. So if you have elderlies in the home, they don't have to struggle walking up and down. So welcome to your bedroom number 5. And again, you will be getting this wonderful, gorgeous windows here with a nice view. And here you can put your study table, you can work here, you can study here. And here you will be getting the almirahs and cupboards inside your bedroom. And again, you will be getting an ensuite washroom with all international CP fittings and granite slabs. Only 7 to 8 units of this gorgeous villament are left in Windchants, and the prices of this villament are, wait, I'm not going to reveal it. You must call us on the numbers flashing below, and we will tell you more details, and we will give you exclusive deals and offers for Windchants. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful, expansive villament. For more details, you can call us on the numbers flashing below. If you like this video, do comment and do subscribe our channel Zricks.com for more real estate updates. Thank you for watching.